What's up everyone, I'm Babis from Google, and today we have the unboxing of the Nikon CoolPix S1000pj, given to me by Studio Nikos for this unboxing, just for you. Okay, so what's really unique with this camera is that it has a built-in projector, which I'm gonna show on another video. Let's get on with the box. Just a very nice box, black, and with a picture of the camera here. It says here CoolPix S1000pj. On the side you can actually see the model. On the back we have some specs. It's a 12.1 megapixels, wide 5 times zoom, 2.7 inch LCD screen, vibration reduction, built-in projector, scene auto selector, ISO 6400, and skin softening. That's basically the box. Let's get on and open it. Okay, so here we have the warranty manual, another manual. We're geek, we don't need those. And the CD with the software for the camera itself. Let's open this. So here's a wall charger. It's actually good that you can plug just the battery in here, so if you have two you can charge both of them. Here you plug your power. That's it, no USB. So here we have a micro USB to USB to connect the camera to your PC. Just some plasticky thingy. What else? Just here we actually have the power. So we're in Greece, so that's the plug we need. If you were in the US or somewhere else in Europe, you would get a different one. Here we have the remote control for the camera, some audio video cables to connect it with your TV or anything you'd like to. Let's get on the star itself. Nothing else in the box. Put that aside. So here's the camera, nice black with a lot of chrome, but this chrome is just a fingerprint magnet really. Anyway, here on the front we have, that's a projector screen, and here's your actual camera, that opens up when you turn the camera on. Some specs. On top we have the take a picture button, zoom in and out, power on off. Here if you click this, the projector comes on, and that's to adjust your projector. On the back we have a 2.7 inch LCD screen, some buttons. This one is to choose your capture mode, to watch your photos and videos, the menu button, and the erase one. On the side we have the micro USB covered by this plastic nice thing. Your tripod hole. Here, let's open this. Take a look at the battery. The battery is of size 1050 milliamp hours. Pretty decent size. So let's go ahead and turn this camera on. So see here, here's the camera itself, where it's now open. Okay, so pretty basic, easy to use. Menu, the menu is in Greek. Pretty easy, fast, easy learning. Nothing special here, and although it has a projector, it's amazingly easy to use it. Okay, so that's a video of the Nikon CoolPix S1000. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. See you soon.